I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chicken kababs. First, select boneless, skinless chicken, cut into uniform 1.5-inch pieces. The secret to tender, flavorful kababs lies in the marinade. Combine plain yogurt, fresh lemon juice, and your favorite spices like paprika, cumin, and garlic powder. Allow the chicken to marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes, or ideally up to 4 hours, to infuse maximum flavor and ensure a juicy result. Now let's assemble our kababs. Thread the marinated chicken onto skewers, alternating with vibrant vegetables such as red and green bell peppers and red onions. It's important to cut your vegetables into pieces roughly the same size as the chicken, about 1.5 inches, to ensure everything cooks evenly. If you are using wooden skewers, remember to soak them in water for at least 30 minutes beforehand. This simple step prevents them from burning on the grill. It's time to cook. Preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, aiming for a temperature around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly oil the grill grates to prevent sticking. Place the kababs on the hot grill and cook for approximately 8 to 12 minutes, turning them every 2 to 3 minutes to achieve even charring and cooking. The chicken is safely cooked when it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's juicy and tender. Once cooked, remove the chicken kababs from the grill and let them rest for a few minutes. Serve them immediately with a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors. These versatile kababs pair wonderfully with a variety of sides, such as fluffy basmati rice, warm pita bread, or a refreshing green salad. For an extra touch, garnish with freshly chopped parsley or cilantro, adding both flavor and a beautiful pop of color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.